And now we have another one. And this one, though, I don't know exactly what he is, but this is how he turned out. He is color chalk and charcoal, except for the eyes. I did him with felt pen, and what's cool is at night they can kind of glow, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, he turned out a little interesting. So, oh, what are you doing? This one's got an attitude. He's not finished yet, or she. I mean, she's not finished yet. Are you? She's waiting. Can you tell? Waiting. She's had a few things done, and then I almost threw her away. Anyway, can you tell? So, I seem to do that with quite a few of my drawings. I mean, I ended up messing up on him, and then, oh well. And then he turns out this way, so it is what it is. Okay. And especially after I spray them, after charcoaling them, using chalk, um, they're set, and so I can't fix them after that. All right, say bye. You too. Yeah. Bye.